was our code of choice, and laughter passed between us with the ease of the siren's voice. Ooh, 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 when the spring is come, the land stirs and waves. Ooh, 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 to new life at the master's tomb. Where once there was a race to meet the moment, with easy joy and wanton excitement, remains only now somber sighs and fleeting ghostly moments. When the spring is come, the land stirs and waves. To new life at the master's tomb. Where once there was a race to meet the moment, with easy joy and wanton excitement, remains only now somber sighs and fleeting ghostly moments. When the spring is come, the land stirs and waves. To new life at the master's tomb. Here and there among the frantic weeds, a lone flower pushes through. No longer do you walk by my side or tangle with my limbs, but I know, like that emerging flower, hidden in the dark undergrowth, that just beyond my searching gaze you linger still.